So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to place a pickup order on DoorDash. So first of all, go ahead and open up the app after you've downloaded, and from here just log in to your account. After that you can see at the bottom home, pickup, grocery, browse, and me. So through the pickup page you can see no available stores in the area for pickup. So the main thing you want to do is to go to home, which is right here, and on there you can see pickup stores to your home page. You can also easily find a pickup option on the menu of your favorite eligible restaurant, and from there you can go to checkout. So through here, so let's just create and show you guys create an order. So through here you can see delivery, and you can see pickup, and you can see a group order. So if you click on here, you can see pickup. In 15 minutes it's going to be ready for pickup. So whatever you order, you're gonna see how long it takes. So if I go to here, you can see orders. I just need to choose one of these and more options. So let's just add to order. And from here, I can view the card, and you can see it right here. If it's pickup, that's gonna show you the address where you need to pick it up, and you can even continue, and after that choose whether or not you're paying on the app or you're paying to them or using some of the other payment methods that you've added on your profile. So that's about it. That's how you can choose between pickup and delivery. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on DoorDash or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.